Hey guys, it's Amber here with Motobilt. We've got some super cool things happening this week and you're not going to want to miss this update. First thing first, we've got our DJI Spark Drone giveaway happening right now. You've only got 3 days left to enter. So, follow this link below in this video or go to our Instagram and click the link in our bio. And the super cool thing about this is once you enter, you're going to get your very own link to share on your social media platforms. Then when your friends click on that link and enter, you're going to gain extra entries off of that. So the entries are really limitless. So be sure to go enter, share with your friends, and you're going to have the chance to win this $550 value DJI Spark Drone Fly More Combo. Now, what comes with this? A lot. So you're going to get your drone, you're going to get 2 batteries, you're going to get 2 sets of props and prop guards. Then you're also going to get a carry bag, remote controller, and charging hub, all with your drone. So you're going to be completely set up to take it out on the roads on some cool adventures. Did y'all hear that? I think there's a storm coming. As a matter of fact, I know there's a storm coming. To Motobilt.com this Monday, November 19th, our biggest sale of the year. It's going to be huge. You're not going to want to miss it, so make sure to tune in. We're even throwing in some super cool merch this year on Black Friday. So you can grab yourself one of these handy dandy beanies, keep your ears warm, and we're bringing back everybody's favorite t-shirt, the Motobilt. I just want to ride Jeeps, drink beer, and cuddle tea. So stay tuned. Monday, November 19th, the storm will be at Motobilt.com, and it's going to be raining parts. We look forward to seeing you.